My brakes aren't working! We have finally made it on our snowmobiles to the top of Wolf Creek Pass. It's not busy, it's not crowded, and so we're gonna go play and we're gonna actually push our snowmobiles harder than we ever have. So we have two old antique snowmobiles, one of the first two models of snowmobiles ever made. And I'm totally kidding, they're not that old, but they are old. And Chad has been relentlessly restoring these things for 3 years now, and they finally are up to snuff. And so we're gonna take these suckers out and see what they can do.
So I've got a 2017 RMK Pro 800. When we got it, it had a lot wrong with it. It had a blown cylinder. The Jake shaft bearing was gone. Clutching issues, it just was not in great shape. So this was a learning sled to basically completely restore. We started with the engine. That had to be fixed first. So we sent the cylinder off to Power Seal with the new pistons. We did not use Polaris pistons. I used an aftermarket piston. Just for the fact that the Polaris piston failed prematurely. So I was kind of leery about going back with that design. So sent all that off, had it coated, redone, put it back together. The electrical's been gone through, had some throttle position sensor issues, had clutching issues, had a roller that was just stuck, it had a flat spot in it. It's been one thing after another, but finally, knock on wood if there was some wood close, I think we've got it. Everything is good. We've got new belts, tracks aligned tight. We've got actually a new front shock too, a new front track shock. Don't know what happened. It disappeared. We left it parked on a trailer and it disappeared. So someone may have wanted it more than me. It may have fallen off while I was riding it. But anyway, had to have a new front shock, track shock. All in all, I think we've got it good to go. We've got an aftermarket head system in here for the altitude. I increased the compression a little bit, just to give it a little more oomph. It's got a little bit of aftermarket clutching in it, some SLP kits, but really it's fairly factory.
So if we can prove it today, there are some fun snowmobile things coming up. So there's a poker run out of Vallecito. There are some cabins that you can rent that you have to snowmobile to access. So this is kind of gonna prove that we can go and do some more fun adventures. Chad also restored my snowmobile. This one wrecked and hit a tree.
And the whole hood was gone.
And the whole
broke, and it was all been plastic welded and put back together.
We're not buying anything new. We're just taking what we can get and what we can afford, and then we're making it new. So, you know, that's the goal here, is to be able to go and play in an affordable way and have fun and do it safely.
Oh yeah, so you can see views like this.
So if you schedule any of the snowmobile tours out of Pagosa Springs, they're going to bring you up here. Make sure you're meeting at the top of Wolf Creek Pass, and you will get to see these awesome views. There goes the tour. And we have made it to the meadow. On the other side of that mountain right there is Wolf Creek Ski Area. So we are just in the meadow behind it. And this is it, wide open spaces. Ultimate freedom on a snowmobile. There he goes. Wow. We had this red one out day after Christmas, and we were feeling pretty confident. And our son called and he's like, I don't know what just happened, but it blew up. And we were like freaking because we didn't know how far back he was. And fortunately, he was right there at the front and Chad was able to just fix the clutch. One more. So this is an area that we've been talking about heading into. And we haven't been able to yet this year because of our issues. Chad's been back here before and I haven't. Snowmobiles are just the ultimate freedom to get back in here. So this is a way to get some miles under your belt and see the forest and the snow. Woo, look! Wow. I always am scared to get off because I'm sinking. Because you sink. Down. Wow. You can see there was a fire. Something got struck by lightning probably. Chad's down.
How deep it is.
It's deep.
There's like a cliff edge right here. Pretty good one.
Yeah, I mean the down trees kind of help you know when to stop. See if I can get through here. Oh sheesh. All right, we did it. So far. This is a burn scar. I hope the camera's picking up. So it looks like shadows. There are definitely shadows, but these are burnt trees. See, I'm like standing all the way on, shoot. See, I need to get on the other side now. Okay. Shifting my weight back and forth it's kind of fun actually. I like that is so cool, that burnt tree. Wow. But shifting your weight is a whole a special thing with snowmobiles. I really like it. Those burnt trees are wild.
Yeah, it is. So Sawyer got stuck really bad up here one time.
Oh.
He was going up and stopped, and then he tried to turn right away, and that sled just goes and buried it. So we had to like roll it over. That's why I was like kind of just keep going. It seems really firm now. So we could try to go up the rest of the way. See what it goes. See where.
Yeah, goes. It's kind of neat in there.
You're doing all right in there?
Yeah, I think so. Uh-oh. Was that the line we were just on? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There's a huge stump.
Oh. He was worried about hitting the tree. You can see people have been all through here. Oof. Nice. Good job. I did the same thing he did.
Right.
Hoo-wee. I'm hot now. Okay. There's another log right there.
Yeah,
There's so much deadfall, you gotta really just pay attention. All right, Chad, get her out. Woo! Nice. Thank God every day for a competent husband.
It's hard because that tree's jutting in the way. And you don't want to give it the beans because you could do damage to your sled if you hit that branch. Fix a bad line. Knee deep out here.
It's very deep.
I think we're almost to the top. Then we'll get to turn around and go down this way.
It's very deep. I literally crawled back on my knees. I scooted. Woo-wee. Ultimate freedom, ultimate suffering at the same time. Woo. Ooh, okay. This is so pretty back in here, and new for me riding through this many trees. It's easy when you're in an open meadow. I thought Chad was going to have to do that turn for me. I thought he did too. He thought he was... I think so. I'm just going to watch how he does it. Okay. So riding on the side of this thing. Oh, somebody skied. That's cool. I am so glad that Chad was able to work on these and that he stuck with it. So that we can come back here and do this. You know, we're just learning, and you know, we're only 3 winters into snowmobiling, so you know, we're just kind of taking it as we're ready for every new challenge. And so when you get back in, I mean, this wasn't anything at all aggressive, and it makes you have such an appreciation for the people who are going way back in there into the deep stuff and really pushing it. It's just like incredible. That was fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He made it to that. I thought he was going to turn around. I wonder if he planned on doing that. Did you ramp yourself into the side of the cliff?
I wouldn't say ramped. I just said I made it to the other trail, and it's a little bit steeper on the other side.
There's where Chad drove into the embankment. So he came up and splat.
No on the hill, huh?
No. Why did I just bury this thing? Why is it smoking? I don't know even how it happened. Okay, try it now. Put it down.
What?
You put it down like...
Let's pack a lot where that sled's gonna go.
does he make everything look so easy? Okay, this is a trust exercise. Snowmobiling through dense trees is a totally different animal. Oh, there's a little log here we get to go over. Okay. Woo-wee. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that view. That's fun. That was cool. It's scary. How do we get out of here?
Well, you know that big hill you didn't want to go down?
I'm not going down that. We can't go back up the way we came.
No, because that log, the easiest way is the hill.
Well, you can drive down and I'll just walk.
It's cake.
I'm scared.
I know you're scared, but once you get on it, it's cake.
For you?
It is. I promise you. These handle it. It just goes.
You're a snake.
I didn't know.
Yes, you did.
I had an idea.
Well, let me go look at it and think about it.
There is no really looking at it.
Yeah, if it's a drove, I'm not gonna do it.
It's not a tough. It's easy. If you want to say, I would drive down for you.
To turn into Meriwether Lewis trying to find myself a way out of here where I don't have to drive down that steep hill. Sacagawea, activate. Where can I go? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I don't want to do this. Oh my gosh, this is so, scary to me. I know everybody's going to be watching this and thinking, this isn't scary. This isn't. I'm going to tip it over. My brakes aren't working! My brakes aren't working! My brakes aren't working! It's not working! The brake didn't work!
I know! You gotta just coast down.
You're trying to murder me!
So,
this is why you got me life insurance.
the thing is when you go and you hit the brake, you start going like this. If you just let it coast, the track will roll with you and slow you down and you'll just roll right down.
That's not, then you should have told me that. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
You made it.
I'm dying.
You wanna go up it? Okay, let's go back. We'll go back to the safe trail.
Alright, and we're up and out. That was so much fun. We had a blast finally really opening up on these sleds. So thank you for watching. Give Chad a thumbs up for putting in so much work on these sleds. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!